Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jasmine Katrina, and today I'm bringing you a soft glam, also bold-ish eye look for Valentine's Day. So I am trying out some new products and I hope you guys like it. This is perfect if you just want to do a little something, if you got plans with your girls, you got a date with your mans. I hope you guys like it, so stay tuned to see how I pull this look together. All right, y'all, so let's get started. So right now I only have moisturizer on. We're gonna do a soft glam look, and I am going to go ahead and start my primer. So for primer, we're gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying primer. Just like a little bit here. Okay, so for the soft glam look, I'm a little excited. I'm actually going to try using this Under the Sea. Look at that. That is so pretty, and it's called Under the Sea for obvious reasons. So I think we're gonna play in this today, a little soft glam. Primer's on my face, so we're gonna start with brows, and then we're gonna go right into the eye makeup before we do foundation and stuff. Okay, so for foundation today, we're gonna go in with the NARS concealer. Actually, we're not doing foundation. Okay, anyway. Okay, so eyes are done. And now we're gonna go in with some eyeshadow. And we're gonna do soft glam. So I am actually going to use my eye primer base from NYX Cosmetics, because I'm gonna want this look to stick. Okay, now we're ready. So eyeshadow base is on. And I'm going to go in. I think I'm going to start with this brown shade. So this brown color here. I do want to try this blue and maybe something over here. I'm not sure, but we're going to play with some fun colors and see what we get. So let's start with the brown. Now the crazy thing is that we're using blue, and I know this is like a Valentine's Day makeup look, so you're expecting like pinks and stuff. The pinks are coming. The pinks are coming. Actually gonna take a blending brush around this size. Alrighty, so we're gonna try Good Beauty's magnetic lashes. This is in the lash WIFEY, and actually really, hold on, I think I have more blue than I wanted. Okay. All right. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. So. Okay. I like this. Okay, friends. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use my NARS Soft Matte. This is in the shade IGUACU. A fan favorite. Y'all, I love this foundation. It is so good. And one of my favorites. Okay. Now I am for this look going to add in some bronzer, so I'm going to use my Mented Cosmetics. This is Out of Office. Just a little warmth back there. And then for blush, so for blush, we're gonna actually use the e.l.f. Cosmetics. And this is in, I think it's Always Rosy. Okay, so for lips, we're gonna use Love and Good Lips. It's in the color Escape. And Okay, what do we think, y'all? I feel like this is like a cute, I don't know, maybe daytime date if like you're about to go out, if you're gonna meet with some girls, like a Valentine's or a daytime date with your mans. I think this is really cute. I like the way this came out. This eyeshadow palette is popping. And just so you guys know, I used, again, this came from the beauty supply store. This is NK Makeup. I think it's Nick A Under the Sea. And I did use one color in this palette, in the Sunset Sangria. Same person, both from the beauty supply store. So that is the look. I actually like the little bit of the blue there. I think that was a little fun. What do you guys think? Okay. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here. So I hope you guys like this look. Again, shop Good Beauty for their magnetic lashes. This is in Wifey. She also has a lip line, Love and Good Lips. This is the color Escape. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay tuned to all the new videos that come your way. And make sure you hit the bell notification so that way you are always notified when the new videos go up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this look. Hope you try it. Let me know if you would do something like this. Is this too bold? Do you feel like it's a little out of your comfort zone, or do you feel good about it? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. If you are back again, it is always good to see you guys. And until next time, be well, do well, and be safe.